When you want to go from one place to another but you don't know the route, what will you do? You use maps on your phone to find the right direction. Similarly, when you need to fulfill your financial needs but you're unsure how to do it, what do? You seek guidance from a skilled person who can help you with financial assessment. Suppose your investment goal is to reach rupees 1 crore and you want to start with an investment of rupees 10,000. What is the best investment path? If you invest in a savings account, it will take you 37 years to build that wealth. In a fixed deposit, it will take 32 years. With a systematic investment plan, SIP in mutual funds, around 21 years. And with the rupees 1000 top-up SIP, it will take approximately 17 years. You can build a wealth of rupees 1 crore in just 17 years by investing rupees 10,000 per month in a mutual fund SIP and adding a yearly top-up of rupees 1000. Top-up SIP in mutual funds is one of the best ways to fulfill your financial needs quickly. A mutual fund distributor can guide you through the entire process, helping you quantify your needs and determining the right investment amount to fulfill your financial needs in a timely manner.